Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use green screen on TikTok. So first, you need to open your TikTok app and make sure you are logged into your account. So on your profile, click or press the plus sign to record a video. And the first thing you want to do is flip the camera so you get the front-facing camera, or you can use the front camera. So this is just my regular background that I have, and to create the green screen effect, you click or press the effects tab on the bottom left. And from here, to locate the green screen effect, you need to swipe right until the tool tab. And you see under the tool tab, there's a bunch of options you can choose, which makes it a bit confusing. So if you don't know how to use the green screen filter, the one I'm going to recommend that you use is the first on top that looks like this. This one is the most traditional version of the green screen where you could put a photo behind you. So from here, after clicking the green screen filter, you can choose which photo you want to use as your background. So here I'll use this photo as my new background. So now as you can see, I have now a new background. Also, you can shrink yourself and you can also move yourself if you want. You could put anything you want in the background like screenshots or any photo. Then you could press record and it's going to record whatever you're doing. This is all you have to do, and press the check mark, then it's going to bring you to the playback of the page, and then you could go ahead and post it just like any other video on TikTok. And that is just basically how you do it. And if you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.